So tell me, what comes to mind when you think of Tele-Pro?
A turnkey provider.
Yeah.
You know, I've worked with and known Tele-Pro for some time now. You know, the Tele-Pro is our go-to for structured cabling, you know, when new facilities come on board. And, you know, now we're looking at audio systems as well. And you know, it's really one of those things that now, again, through learning, now there's professional services, you know, available as well. You know, it's just one of those things where, you know, we need to rely on quality services, on who's the vendors who you can rely on, who you can trust to get the job done. You know, our staff is very familiar with them, and they know that when they do a Pharr job, it's getting done a specific way, which is the only way our network team, you know, wants it. And because again, it's stuff that we support later on, you know, after the project's delivered. But it's one of those things where, you know, it's a trusted partner in our portfolio of vendors who we work with.